Okay, I had lots of people who really enjoyed my training from last week where I gave a demo of how I'm making money from Canva websites. So this week they asked me if I could show them different ways that I'm using Canva websites to give them some more ideas. And if you have any questions about any of what I'm going to show you today, leave it in the comments below. So one of the main ways that I started using Canva websites to make money, and this is what I'm doing right here, is I am selling these templates. So I started selling digital products probably 3 years ago when they first launched Canva websites. So here is my latest template bundle. And then I use personally Thrivecart, but you can use whatever shopping cart you want to be able to go and buy, and then they get access to whatever they've purchased. And here's another example of a sales page, and this is selling templates. So if you're someone who creates templates and you want to be able to sell them, but you don't want to pay for a website, you can do the same things. That's what I love about it. I have a one platform profit system, which means that I create them in Canva, I host them in Canva, I sell them on Canva websites, and the only thing that I have externally is my email provider and my shopping cart. That's it. And then instead of sending people to YouTube, what I do is I upload my videos to YouTube, and then you can embed them on your Canva website. And the reason why I'm doing that is because there's no distractions from other videos. I still get the views. So another way that you can use Canva websites if you are posting on YouTube is to embed them on the website, send people from your email list here so they don't get distracted, and then you can upsell and make sales at the same time. And the one that I started doing over 2 years ago is I started hosting courses. In fact, I invented it because I saw that they had password protected websites, and I went straight to Canva and I said, are we allowed to host courses? And they said, absolutely. So I've been hosting courses. So here is an example of one of my latest courses, One Message Momentum, and it got better when they made it multi-page. So when I first got started, it was only one page, and I would have all my tutorials just down the page. But now they have multi-page, so you can do modules. You can have module 1 or topic 1, like these are different topics. So One Message Momentum, and here's the tutorials on the page, and then you just click and download whatever the worksheets are, and then you click to the next one, and that takes you to the YouTube Momentum training, which is some more tutorials here. And then the third one, which is what I always tell my students to do, is you should always be upselling and selling other offers in all of your programs, whether you're selling a digital product or whether you're selling video courses, mini courses. And so the last page on here is where they can go and grab something else that's going to help them get the outcome that they're looking for. And that's what is so cool. You can drag and drop. So when you see this website here, there was 60 different layouts, and I just went through and said, I want that layout, I want that layout, I want this layout, and here's an example of what the layouts look like. So you can just go and grab the layout that you need for your website and turn it into a website. But the cool thing about this is that no one else is doing, because you can no longer get the one-page websites, you can only get the multi-page, is that you can resize these. So if you say, oh my goodness, Pam, this would look great on my presentation, well then you resize it as a presentation. Or, oh my goodness, this would be so good to have in my videos. So there's so many different ways that you can use it, whether you resize it to a reel, whether you resize it to a video, a presentation, or I even copy and paste them and put them into my digital product downloads and PDFs as well. So I hope you're excited about the possibilities. If you haven't already grabbed the bundle, it's only $27 for the launch. So click on the link below or above, and you can go and grab it and start creating yours today. If you have a question, leave it below. Enjoy.